Hi everybody, so today I will be doing this thing that was a trend on TikTok. I don't know if it's on this, but yeah, so show me your favorite fidget toy. Show me your least favorite fidget toy. Show me the fidget toy you use the most. This is a window for your facts. So right now, I'm doing something. Show me your fidget toy you recently got. This is not a fidget toy disclaimer. Gonna open it. I got a key. Do not look though. I'm gonna put you over here. I'm making a YouTube video. Store. Yeah. So the recent one I really got is this dinosaur mochi. Sorry, that was my dad. This is my dinosaur mochi. Squeeze. Soon I will be doing some fidget trading. Okay, now show me your DIY fidget toys. I have too many, so I'm gonna get some more. I have a lot more than this. Show me your favorite DIY fidget toy. Okay. Show me the fidget toy that you say that is a fidget toy, but it's actually not a fidget toy. Show me the fidget toy that is satisfying. Okay. That was it for today, guys. So say bye. I will set up a fidget trading set soon, and you will see that. Now, farewell, my friends.